Two more senatorial aspirants paid a visit to former Vice President Leni Robredo in Naga City. Robredo shared photos of her meeting with Sagip Party List Representative Rodante Marcoleta. She described Marcoleta as a former colleague in the House of Representatives. The former Vice President also posted pictures with retired Marine Colonel Ariel Querubin. Robredo said he was her co-parent at the Ateneo de Manila University. Actually, hindi naman ako nasusurprise na talagang may mga politiko lalapit sa kanya dahil alam naman natin yung base, 'di ba, ni former Vice President Leni Robredo diyan sa Naga City.
Actually, ganito yan, no? A lot of pundits were discussing about this issue.
Yeah.
Kung hindi nag-away si PBBM tsaka si VP Sara, yung Duterte-Marcos faction, you would not see as much going to VP Leni for support. But the mere fact na yung base ni PBBM and VP Sara is divided, and no less than Sara Duterte admits that they would have lost to VP Leni Robredo
kung hindi sila nag-unite.
Kung hindi sila nagsama. So yung assumption nito is si VP Sara has 15 million, PBBM has 15 million, si Leni has close to 16 million. Ngayon, yung mga lawmakers who are on the fence, whether they're not sure kung kay PBBM ka o kay Duterte, to secure a certainty and a base of a good number, lalapit sila kay VP Leni para may third alternative
liligawan nila.
So that way, hindi sila beholden to PRRD, or hindi sila beholden kay PBBM.
And this is not the first time na may mga politiko lumapit sa kanya, 'di ba? Unang-una si Vice President Sara Duterte, 'di ba? Bumisita doon sa kanya, nag-courtesy call. Si former DILG Secretary Benhur Abalos, 'di ba? And so on and so forth. So tapos yung nagkita pa sila sa Sorsogon ni President Bongbong Marcos.
Kaya ika nga, and before we move on, ika nga, she may not have won the election but she already started a wave of pink daw. So yan ang mga sinabi ng mga pundits.
Yan ang
the pink
aabangan
wave.
sa susunod na kabanata.